Hello, this is Jamie Magrich. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. It's in two different ways and it uses different sentiments, but it's basically using one stamp, and then I got this washi tape. It is from Pink Fresh Studio. And then you can buy the dies to go along with it, and it cuts them out. So that's what I'm using for this card. And then for sentiment today, instead of a stamp sentiment, I'm going to use one of these. This one would have to be this way. This one could probably go either way. Might change it up and do it this way. So let's try that. Let's do it one this way. Okay, so what you're going to need is a card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5. It is scored and folded at 4 1/4. And then I need a layer for the front, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. I'm going to use Pecan Pie ink from Stampin' Up. I have one large leaf and one small leaf and 3 butterflies from that washi tape. And then this sentiment is from a sticker collection. I probably got it at Hobby Lobby. Oops, it's glaring. And then I just mounted it on white paper because they're clear. That's what I did on these as well. These are mounted on white paper and then cut out. Okay, so let's put the card base aside and bring in a full mat to stamp on. And I am using this, I don't know if you can see it, this stamp here, Swirly Frames. You can use any circle stamp, or you can just draw a circle. It's just a messy circle. Sort of kind of looks like a wreath, so if you have a wreath, that would work too. So I'm just going to ink this up with the, and I'm going to stamp it up towards the top and centered. That's the only stamp or ink I'm going to need. Okay. Okay, so I know I want this to go here. So I'm going to want a big leaf probably here. You don't want it to hang off the card too much. Or do I want it to go here? Do it this way. Just play with the design how you think you want it. And we're going to put the butterflies in there. Let's do it this way. One of these butterflies here. I think I'm going to do it like that. Okay, so then I'm going to bring in some dimensionals. It's a pretty easy card. Well, before I get out the dimensionals, let's try the other way with the other sentiment and see if we like that better. I think I'd want it to go this way. Let's see. Just play with it. have to go something like that, I think. I think I like the other one better. So let's do that. Alright, so that'll go like that. This one will go here. Like that, I think. This down just a hair. Okay, I'm going to bring in those dimensionals. And on the back of the butterfly, I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of each wing. I'm going to go ahead and place the butterfly down. That's going to kind of help hold down my, oops, I forgot to take the backs off. That would help. It's going to kind of hold this in place here as well. One on the back of each wing of this one. Okay, then I'm gonna, some of these leaves aren't stuck down yet, so I'll go ahead and with dimensionals again and put them behind those leaves. This one probably needs a, at least one or two dimensionals behind it, just to make sure it's stuck. It looks pretty good. And we'll add some to the back of this. This is a dimensional heavy card, but it's all basically one layer. Okay, I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to bring in some wet glue and bring in my card base. Make sure my card's opening the correct way. And that's the open side. I'll go ahead and mount this to the front of the card. It's a fun, easy card. You can use any stickers butterflies you might have. These kind of stickers would work as well. Just have fun. Well, thanks for joining me today at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Here's the card we just made together. There's a couple that I made previous. And thanks for joining me. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.